headed in our way to find a beautiful blue lagoon. 35 kilometers so far. Brasil and what's up, guys? Supposed to be good morning. When I say supposed to be, I know you're watching this at any time of the day or year in the world, but for us it's 5:58 in the morning. We've been pedaling. We headed in our way to find a beautiful blue lagoon. And we're gonna do some underwater footage, hopefully. But the thing is, like, hopefully, please God, and in the universe, nothing happened. It's going to be more than 160 kilometers in total. So stick here, guys. Don't go away. Don't move. I will guarantee I will try my best to capture some shot for you to enjoy. Go out, motivate yourself, and do the right thing without no reason.
Mix some tracks in the Milky Way, so you'll have good music all day. Brothers are playing an alien song for dancing and shaking all night long.
may think, you know, if it's not, but for me, it is beautiful. And I tell you what, I'm out of home. I am on the venture. The unknown of this journey is the main thing, you know. And I'm traveling, even if it's raining or not. Not every day is going to rain, you know. Not every day is going to be a bad day. So go outside, guys. Enjoy, because life is one and nature is right there for all of us, right? So go for your own adventure, guys. There's nothing more refreshing as I coming like more than 50 kilometers, right? And I found this beautiful oasis in the middle of the road. Tastes really good, guys, seriously. Oh my God, this is so sweet, right? Blackberry, guys. Blueberry.
Brazilian, actually.
Yeah, this is Brazilian blueberries, actually. Finally, people, we reached here after more than 70 kilometers, you know, on bike. And well, when I say finally here, is because we are here in this place, the beautiful blue lake that I'm already posted here for you, all of you guys. Check it out here in the link. Click it and see it if you haven't seen yet, all right? And what I'm here, what we ride in this area is to show you not only this lake, but 1, 2, and probably 3 more locations, all right? So stay tuned, because all the videos coming ahead is going to look really good, right? I mean, from my point of view, of course. Okay, guys, let me explain you what we here with so much detail. What we are here is I myself going to try to dive into the lake to see if we could catch some underwater footage. This video in special is it's all about the underwater footage and all the ecosystem into the water. So let's see if I can catch, because the light here, and we got some few people here in this lake, so maybe it's not gonna look, you know, too clean, the water, but let's see, because so far I can see it's beautiful. It's beautiful and clean, right? Oh, really clean, you know, really beautiful, the lake. So let's see, guys, all right?
ultimamente tenho medo,
Que?
muito medo, porque
Água.
a água, quando eu não consigo olhar meus pés, eu fico com muito medo de entrar, né? Mas olha, isso aqui tá uma
Because the
delícia.
water
It's clear,
is clear.
clarinha, gente.
You easily can see everything.
Depois de uma longa pedalada, essa água aqui fica maravilhosa.
Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like. Let me see what's going on, guys. What are your thoughts? All right? And until the next time.